Today I wanna suggest you practicing English together with this Christmas/New Year vlog, throwing snow in his mother. So we can touch it and it's falling. Particles of snow, many decoration like a bubbles. Wow, that's a huge snow drift. Even the sign of our subway is decorated. Look at this, we're dancing. Bus with 2 floors. That's insane. Mexican. I'm going to be walking around Moscow. It's the capital of Russia, the biggest city. And here we always have the biggest celebrations, the most beautiful streets, so it's gonna be really fascinating to take a walk because I haven't been here for a while and I really miss this atmosphere. And in general today we're going to practice English, we're going to learn vocabulary because I will describe everything what I see on the streets, actions, verbs, just nouns. Also I will share a little bit of my story, how I celebrated a new year. In general, let's take a walk and enjoy the city. I hope you're gonna learn many new stuff, bro. We got trees completely decorated with the Christmas lights. It's golden now. And that way we have a huge Christmas tree. It's blue color and different lights. Also it's flickering a little bit. So it looks so beautiful. Even the sign of our subway is decorated. You see this circle also with some kind of lights and bows maybe. And we got a lot of snow. So this called a snow drift. These are snow drifts. We can take a snow and it's so cold. Oh my god. We see small particles of snow and actually snowflakes. We can see it, snowflakes. So it's a snowfall, but only a little bit. And we got many people, look at this. Wow. This subway, it is a garbage truck. And these workers are loading a garbage in the back of this garbage truck, just for the record. And also we have a big sign of 2026. 2026, it's our year right now. Yeah, Happy New Year, guys. And this, by the way, is huge mall, but for kids. It's mostly shops for kids. Only kids can purchase it here or something. Wow, bus with 2 floors. Like in London or something like that, right? And take a look at these people, we're so happy. We're playing snowballs, throwing snow in his mother or something. Yeah, bro, that store, that's huge mall for kids. It's just a dream for every kid because we got any shop there, like any shops with the toys, with clothes, with the food, with anything you need to be a happy kid. And right now look at this street full of light. I guess it's street where the main celebrating are going on, full of tourists, full of souvenirs. So just let's explore. I'm going to be honest, it's so complicated to keep walking because the snow right here is not removed yet. It's not removed, so it's not clean sidewalk. It's just full of snow, like somewhere in the wilderness. But it has something unique, you feel me? Let's explore this. Oh my god, step by step, just step by step through the snow. I hope I'm not gonna get snow inside my sneakers. We got many decoration, like a bubbles, red, gold, white. Look at these light bulbs. Awesome design, bro. That's what I'm saying. Snow drifts and just step by step. Yeah, I so love the snow. Guys, wow. Yeah, we have only like a narrow trail where the snow is removed. So people are walking here. It's so narrow, and the rest of the street is full of snow drifts. Many people and tourists and locals and kids are playing in the snow because it's always a happiness to play with the snow. Oh my god. We have a souvenirs. A sign, souvenirs. So you can buy many souvenirs, even with the Messi uniform t-shirt. Look at this. Mexican. We got something Mexican. Mexican hats. And Russian toys. And Russian costumes. Wow. And this our Russian type of Santa Claus, but they call it differently. It's not Santa Claus. It's Ded Moroz. Ded Moroz in Russian. And some famous people, just the statues. Amazing, bro. It's so beautiful. Look at this, we can touch it and it's fallen, it's fallen. Oh my god. This called a cone. A cone. And such a pleasant melody. Really makes you to be calm. Just relax, calm down. Yeah, that's a celebration. Here we got a grocery store when we can buy groceries. Wow, that's a huge snow drift. That's a lot of snow. Oh my god, I'm in a crowd. Attention guys, I'm in a crowd. Wow. That's insane. I just love when we got so many people and everyone is happy. We're just filming videos and all people filming videos and happy with the kids. And just I see their smiles and their faces, and it means just everything is great, right? Everything is great. I feel alive in this part of Moscow, in this part of Russia. It's just amazing. We got many kids playing, we got tourists, foreigners, and you can do literally anything. Look at this, we're dancing, we're all dancing. We're celebrating this life. Let's celebrate this life. Let's just sit on a bench. I am full of snow. Look at this. It's cold. I have a steam out of my mouth. My jacket full of flakes. I have people walking right here. We got a sticks, yeah, just a stick of a tree. By the way, I'm so lucky that we have such a favorable weather today. It's really favorable. It's great. It's snowing a little bit, just as it's supposed to be in the middle of January, right? Not in the beginning, in the middle of winter. Oh, a stroller. Great vocabulary, a stroller. It's -6 degrees Celsius, so that's why I've been wearing a down jacket. Also, I've been wearing a zip hoodie with a hood. It's called a hood. Like I can take off a hood. Right now I took off a hood and I can put on a hood. And also I've been wearing a t-shirt. So many items of clothes. Kid is jumping. He's jumping. Wow. Look at this snowfall. This is called a street light. A street light. A pole. And a crowd of people, many people. I'm in a flow, so I need to keep going. Wow. By the way, I've just checked that moment when I got pricked. Fallen. Oh my god. When I was touching a Christmas tree and a cone, I forgot that vocabulary. A bike, a delivery box. Let's just have a moment of quiet and enjoy. Throwing a snow. Yeah, that's our classic games. That's awesome. We can get coffee, by the way, in one of these coffee shops, stores. Oh, a store for women underwear. Hugging, they are hugging. It's called a hug. Pulling a huge garbage bin. Huge garbage bin. He's pulling it. Pull. Light bulbs. It's called a light bulb. We mostly have songs here from USSR, from our Russians, even Soviets, old cartoons and movies, because it's really popular, and every New Year, in every family, in every house, on TV, everyone watch old USSR movies and cartoons every day, because everyone has watched this many 100 times, literally 50, 100 times every year. Every year, everyone watches. It's like tradition, I don't know. And we listen songs on the streets. It has its own vibe. Totally. I hope you have a great New Year. I'm really wondering what's the New Year celebrations like in other countries. I'd like to visit many cities and many countries in the world and just learn what are you doing to celebrate New Year there. We got used to celebrate New Year with the family, with your parents, with grandparents, with kids. So I live here in Moscow in dormitory, but for New Year's holiday, like for 5 days, for 6 days, I went to my home, to my hometown. It's small town, like a village, yeah. And I was celebrating there. We got a table full of food, and just me and my parents, my mom and my dad. We had a dinner, we were watching TV and just talking about life, you know, without any crazy party, stuff like that. Oh, it's so slippery. Yo, look, that's slippy. It's slippery. You can slip and fall. Yeah, when I was a kid, we used to have a crazy party at our house, because my parents invited all their friends, close friends. They brought all their kids. We got a house full of kids, full of parents, and it was crazy. A feast, just feast with many foods and drinks and just celebration till the late, like early morning. That's early, late morning, yeah. But right now, we just don't do it anymore, and we celebrate in really family atmosphere. So now my plan is just going down the street and see a big theater, another huge and really popular tourist attraction in Russia, and then just go home. I don't know. Like a castle. Wait a second. Bentley, right? It's a Bentley, bro. We got a Bentley. If you wanna buy Bentley, come here. And yeah, I wasn't practicing speaking so much being at my hometown, because I didn't have much desire and time. We were visiting many relatives. We got many relatives, my cousins, my grandparents, my aunt as well. Also my godfather with his family came to us. I can make, by the way, a footprint. Let's make a footprint in the snow. This is my footprint. We have many footprints. And already that way, see? You see that? Big theater. And a big Christmas tree with a big star on the top. We need to wait because we have a red light. So let's wait a little bit and then cross the street. A red bow, right there, red bow is hanging over the building. And this building is just wild because it's the most expensive. You got the most expensive clothes inside. We have billboards, like with the, with advertisements. A poster with the upcoming performances. Such a beautiful dress, yeah. Beautiful dress, beautiful costumes. The main theater in Russia, for the record. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I hope you enjoyed our walking today and our practice. Love you all, guys. Thank you for watching. Yeah, bro. See you soon. Bye bye.